Good morning, boys and girls, and happy Friday. Today we're going to review the sounds of Bossy R. Remember, on Wednesday, we learned about the R control vowel, or we can say the Bossy R. We learned that the R is bossy. I boss the vowels and control the sounds, but I am polite because I let the vowel go first. So we learned that the Bossy R, or the R control vowels, make a sound. We learned that the ER, the IR, and the UR make the same sound. They make the sound. Boys and girls, let's trace and say this together. E-R, fern, I-R, bird, You are church, So the the IR, and the UR make the same sound. It says Can everyone say with me? Very good. Now let's review the steps of how to code and read words with the Bossy R. First, step 1 is find the vowel. Step 2, look next to the vowel. Step 3, we put a line under the vowel and the letter R. Step 4, we write VR under it. Step 5, tap and read the word. Now watch me code and read the words below, boys and girls. Step 1, we said, is find the vowel. Here's my vowel. I look next to it and I see an R. We all know when we see a vowel and then an R, we make a line and we write VR. And now we read the word. Cur, curl. Excellent. Let's go to number 2. I find my vowel. I look next to it, I see an R. That's my R control vowel. I underline my pattern. I underline the E and the R, and I write VR. Now I tap and read the word. Her. Let's go to the final word. I find my vowel. I see an R right next to it. I underline my pattern. I write VR, and now I tap and read the word. Girl. So boys and girls, what did we learn today? We learned that the ER, the IR, and the UR make the same sound. They all say This is called R-controlled vowels, or we can say Bossy R. So today, I want you to click on the next link on your screen. And there, I want you to listen to a story. And in this story, there are going to be lots of R-controlled vowel words. When you find a word that has UR, IR, or ER in it, I want you to write it down on a piece of paper. I want you to take a picture and then upload it onto Class Dojo. Remember, you're going to click on the next link, listen to the story, and then write down any words with ER, IR, and UR. Bye. Hope you have fun.